Don't enslave yourself based on what people are saying about you. So, I recently found that youngsters in this pandemic are starting something or the other of their own. Let's suppose be it social media marketing or something else. But many don't start. All because they are thinking, what will people say if I start? Will they make fun of me? Or if they have already started, they just quit. All because they think that people are making fun of them. Behind their back, they are gossiping. So let's discuss about this. Should we really get affected by what people are saying? So understand that it's people's job to gossip, to say, to do something other, spread rumors and etc. etc. Understand that when you start working or when you start to work upon your idea or you start something new, people will do two things. Either they'll say that what you are doing is not good, just stop, or they'll just don't let you start with that. They doesn't want you to be successful, or if you are already successful, they don't let you be successful, they don't let you remain successful. इस चीज को समझो कि लोगों का काम है कहना. If people don't say, they can't live happily. If you start something of your own, it's people's job to gossip about you, to make fun of you, spread unnecessary and nonsense rumors. It's their job. So it's your job to focus on your work, because when you will work, you will hustle, you will be successful. People don't gain anything by doing all such things, and neither will you if you quit, or if you don't start upon your idea, don't work upon your idea. So when you work, you hustle, ignoring what people are saying, you will be successful. You will be the one who will earn a fame. You will be the one who will earn some money, not some money, huge amount of money. To earn money, you need to sell something. And when you start selling something, people will say, don't do this, don't be a salesman, try something new. So, to avoid that, or rather, I should say, ignore that and continue doing what you are doing. If you have trust on your product, if you have trust on the product or service that you are selling, just continue with that, because that will help you grow, that will help you gain some experience, and that will lead you to success. Ignore what people are saying, because neither they are gaining something nor you will gain something giving attention to them. Need to change your mindset, because success comes to those who are busy looking for it. And people are not busy looking for success. They are busy looking for reasons and excuses to bring someone down, pull someone down, so that they are not successful. So instead of thinking and giving attention to what people are saying, work, hustle. That is gonna make you successful, that is gonna make you rich. So it's better to keep working and ignoring people, what they are saying. Don't enslave yourself depending on what people are saying. It's their job, let them do their job. Working and hustling is your job, do your job. Prioritize things that you want and make yourself so busy that you have no time to think or even to listen what people are saying, be it your parents, your friends. Like I started YouTube. People are saying that you have poor communication skills. How can you deliver a speech? But then I know I can improve, I can help others improve, I can help others be successful. So I'm here in front of you. So better to ignore people and start working on yourself, start working on your skills, start selling something, start doing something productive. Because success will come to the only person who works. So I hope you have learned something new. I hope you have gained something. Make sure to like the video, comment down below which portion you like, what did you learn from the video, and also comment down any queries if you have. And I would suggest you, if you have any queries, DM me on Instagram, follow me there. I give many solutions to problems and I'll give you the solution to your problem as well. And if I think that the problem is of even greater importance, I'll make a video for that. So do follow me on Instagram, share the video, like the video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on bell notifications. Thank you.